YAM configuration package installation. Here we can see the possible YAM to be installed. So first we need to change the directory / repo, and after then we need to install the possible YAM installations. So here we can see the repo directory. Now we will copy the possible installations for YAM. I will deliver this document in description box, so don't worry about it. Just installing the possible YAM installations. It will take a few moments. Installing the package. If installation in stack, just hit on enter key or installation completed. So guys, thank you for watching this video.